Don't you guys think that every day passes so fast? I was talking with one of my clients the other day, which is a really cool guy. He's the same age as I am, and we were talking about the fact that, I don't know, somehow I talked in the past video about the same subject, but I'm really curious. Don't you guys think that we should enjoy life more? I mean, of course we should work and so on, but I really hope that somehow all of us, we can find, I don't know, someday the comfort of trying to live a better life in terms of personal time and space. I really consider that when you have a business and when you're trying to do things by your own, you tend to think that you have a lot of spare time. You can stay a lot I don't know, outside, drinking coffee, staying with friends, staying out and so on. And it's actually the opposite of having a regular job, 9 to 5, or I don't know, 8 to 4, and so on. And this is because you always tend to do more. If you are an ambitious person, just like, I don't know, I consider myself being, you tend to do more, or you tend to want to do more than you actually can afford in terms of time. I really consider that, I don't know, if the day would have 30 hours and I wouldn't have to sleep, it would be so much better. And this is because I don't know, time passes so fast that I don't have enough time for me. I don't know why. I don't know why I feel this way, but I won't lie to you. I'm pretty happy with my life and with what I'm doing and with I don't know, everything around me. But I do consider that I have to work somehow, and I have no idea how, to get better personal space and better time. Of course, in terms of business, this means that you should get somehow be paid better for the same projects that you are involved in. But of course, in theory, this is really simple. Like, you ask for more money and clients will give them to you. But that's not really it. I mean, it doesn't ever happen like this. If you're curious, if you're not running your own business, this never happens. And I have no idea how to solve this, because it is not like I'm sad or I'm not grateful with how things are working. But from time to time I tend to look too much on social media, and I tend to, I don't know, I see a lot of people on the internet that have a lot of time. They always go out, they always go I don't know, they go to coffees, to restaurants every day. I have to tell you that I do not have this luxury, not because I can't afford going to coffees, but because I don't have enough time to go every day to a coffee, to stay there a few hours. I would like so much to do it, but I don't have this time. And you will say that, yes, but if you go to a 9 to 5 job, you have to wake up at 7, you have to get to bed I don't know, at 11, so you can sleep enough. Yes, I really do consider that having your own business and working on your own thing has a lot of benefits. But from time to time, I do try to find solutions for having more time for me. Maybe this is all because, I don't know, you know that a lot of teenagers, I mean, I'm not actually a teenager, but a lot of young people want to do a lot of stuff. I have the same problem. Even now, before I started recording, I was hoping that, okay, I will get home, I will do that, I will do that, I have to finish a few things, and then I will go to bed. But of course I get home and I realize the fact that I don't have this time. I don't have enough time to do everything that I wanted. I go home, I open my computer, I start doing what I'm doing, and I realize after a few hours that I haven't done half of my tasks. And I have this problem of not being realistic with my time and how much the things that I have to do take, you know. I mean, I really tend to be more ambitious than I can, and I really don't know why. And I really have to confess you that I really want to be more and more relaxed, you know. So I don't want to hurry when I go out. I don't want to hurry when I have to get somewhere. I just want to be more and more relaxed. I'm really curious how many of you guys feel the same, because somehow you know, I started this channel because I wanted to drive a lot of cars. I wanted to show you my car, my friends' cars, and so on. But I realized that I want to drive my car and I want to talk to you about life, because I want to talk to you about the problems that many of you have. I do have on my own, and I want to express them, because I have to tell you, I don't have many people with whom I can talk to about them. I really hope that this is a manner of getting more and more mature, sincerely. I really hope that when I will get a bit older, I will understand that I have to chill out, I have to do the things that I have, but I don't want to push myself to the limit more and more, because I'm below 30, and I consider that sometimes I want to do more things that I actually can, and my health actually can handle, you know. And from all the things that matter in life, I do consider the fact that health is the most important.